In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your housing health and safety surveys more quickly and with less effort, so stick around. Hi, my name is James from PocketSurvey. This channel is all about helping you become a more efficient surveyor, so please subscribe to see more videos of our surveying software. Are you wasting time writing up your survey inspection reports? Are you struggling typing data into your spreadsheets? With PocketSurvey, you can avoid tedious work, save time, and save money. Watch this video to the end and you'll find out how. This is the mobile part of the PocketSurvey software running on an Android tablet. We have a full range of survey templates covering commercial, residential, social housing, and risk assessment. This is a short demonstration of the Housing Health and Safety Survey that is part of our social housing and quality range of templates. So let's tap into it. Unlike most other apps, PocketSurvey is very easy to use on site with a clean and uncluttered user interface. You hardly have to type anything since most data input is done using menus. The buttons on the right let you navigate through the survey easily. So, the first thing we have here is a preloaded list of buildings that we want to do inspections on. You simply tap the next button to go through confirming your choices. As with most menus, the list of surveyors can be set up in the desktop software, or you can add to the list when you're on site. Confirm the address by tapping the next button. Our survey templates are split into sections for easy navigation. You can enter sections in any order you like. Now, let's answer the overview questions and you'll see how quick data entry is. Most of the items in the template can be changed and added to using the easy-to-use template editor in the desktop software. This effectively means you can design your own app without any programming. You use the general photo section to take photos such as the front elevation. However, we'll leave taking photographs till later. Let's enter the main part of the survey. There are some initial questions about the dwelling type, occupancy and age band. You can see a list of the 29 hazards. However, you don't have to answer every hazard if it's not applicable to the dwelling. This is what makes PocketSurvey so flexible. We're going to choose damp and mold growth, identify the risk, and then choose some of the defects that contribute to that hazard. There is a preloaded list of locations that you can easily add to on site or in the desktop software. In the government's wisdom, they decided to make it very statistical. However, we preload all the statistics and you just need to choose a band either higher or lower than the recommended average. And you can see the resultant hazard band, hazard category and recommended action. We're now going to take a photograph. You can set your survey up to allow multiple photos if you like. You can then add any additional comments if you need to. You can use the on-screen keyboard or use the excellent Google voice typing to enter data. Now let's choose asbestos, identify that there isn't a risk. We can optionally take a photograph and add any additional comments. The government standard expects you to just log one hazard and cover multiple locations. With PocketSurvey, we let you identify hazards in different locations and give them different scores. And when we produce the final report, we summarise all the hazards and choose the maximum hazard band for each hazard. So let's log another damp and mold growth. Choose the defects that contribute to that hazard. And then choose the location In this case, we're going to choose the bathroom and the shower room. We need to choose the likelihood and the various outcomes. And you can see the resultant hazard band, hazard category and recommended action. Let's skip the photos and the comments. So literally you go through all the hazards that you need to, and you can always go back to any item you've assessed and either edit it, delete it or create an additional one. When you have finished a section, you tap Done. Let's add some overall comments. You can use the on-screen keyboard or use the excellent Google voice typing to enter data. We need to complete the survey by answering any mandatory questions marked in red. We can now tap Done to go back to the visit list. Here we can inspect another building or tap Quit to finish. All we have to do now is transfer your completed surveys via the cloud to your desktop software. You only need an internet connection when transferring data. We could do some more surveys or just exit the app. That's a brief demo of the mobile part of the PocketSurvey software. The other part is the desktop database and reporting system, which will create your reports in seconds without any further editing. The features of the full PocketSurvey software are covered in other videos on this channel. Here's an example of a report. Your professional report comes off in seconds, branded with your company logo and company details. There's an automatic table of contents. There are some introduction pages. There's an overview of the whole building. Then each item is listed with full details of the assessment along with photographs. And finally, there's a gallery of photos at the end with links back to the relevant parts of the document. You can change most sections of the report to suit your own needs. Please feel free to ask any questions below or contact me via the PocketSurvey website. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. You will find links in the description below to download a trial copy of the mobile software. Please subscribe and click the notification bell to see more videos from this channel. Thanks for watching. If you want to find out more, please join our mailing list and download the trial app, or book a demonstration via PocketSurvey.com.